Hi there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this light fixture that we had sent out for review. This is amazing. It's very modern. It comes with manual of instructions and it will tell you how to install it. It's fairly easy. It includes the remote and all these parts of the light fixture. It is in black, so it comes with some of the tools, the screws that you need, and it includes also some gloves and these two pieces that are for the height of the fixture, 5 or 10 inches, and these will be the base that will be directly installed on the ceiling. This is a ground cable. And this is the fixture. Now let's look at it. It is really nice, really cool and modern. It comes in black, all in black. It doesn't include the light bulbs. You need to get them, and it seems that are the normal light bulbs. You don't need to buy a special ones. But as you can see, the fan, it's in the middle, so it will light up really well. So let's just see and summarize what it includes in the bag. This is all what it includes: the remote, the gloves, and all the parts of the ceiling light and fan fixture. Now we are going to use these gloves, but be aware that it might be comfy or not too comfy to use them to install these. Now that we are ready to install them, let's just adjust. In our case, we're gonna use the 5 inches pole, and we are going to remove all these parts and cables and screws from the 10 inches one to put them on the 5 inches. And here is how we're doing it. We noticed that it was a little bit difficult to do this with the gloves. So maybe the gloves, you can use them when you are putting together the cables. Maybe you can protect your fingers and your hands from the cables. Now let's do the other parts. This is how you will be putting them together. And now let's just make sure that all the cables are inside, and screw everything and tighten everything up before we start putting it on the ceiling. This is the safety lock. Now let's just finish tightening it up. And now that it's there, we will go to the ceiling. Here is the base. Now we need to put all the cables inside of it so we can put it directly on the light fixture. Okay, so here are just putting it on the ceiling and installing it. And now that it's all tightened up, we are putting the ceiling in the hook, and then we will proceed to finish doing the cables and matching and pairing all the cables. It's fairly easy. You just need to pair each color with the same color, and white with white, black with black, and you just make sure that they are very well paired. And then you just proceed with the last part, which is this one, and you will be tightening these up as the last step. And the very last step will be to add the light bulbs, and this is how it looks. It looks fantastic. I love it. I am really glad that we got sent out this for review. This is very modern light fixture, and besides that, it has a very nice fan within it, and it gives you light and a bit of air as well.